Good morning, class. I am Mr. Torreon, your mathematics teacher, Mathematics 11. So, our topic for this morning is all about statistics and probability. And before that, you have to stand for the opening prayer to be led by Miss Lara Legaspi.
Let us pray. In the name of the Father, the Son, the Holy Spirit. Amen. Our Father, who art in heaven, hallowed be thy name. Thy kingdom come, thy will be done on earth as it is in heaven.
Give us this day our daily bread, and forgive us our sins, as we forgive those who sin against us. Do not bring us to the test, but deliver us from evil. Amen.
In the name of the Father, the Son, the Holy Spirit. Amen.
Good morning, teacher.
Good morning, class. Okay, before you sit down, you have to pick up some papers down on the floor. Okay, please sit down. Say present if your name was called. Okay, Abanco.
Sid.
Alpas.
Sid.
Apostol. France. Autentico Janle.
Sid.
Autentico Peter France.
Sid.
Boqueron Stephen.
Sid.
Buena P. Joel Benz.
Sid.
Casido.
Sid.
Dolera.
Sid.
Eseliure.
Sid.
Eduardo Jan Kiven.
Sid.
Poro Brian.
Sid.
Gador Jan Mark.
Sid.
Gopis Bernard Dino.
Sid.
Franco J. Justin.
Sid.
Mandangit Rui. Mias RG. Menyosa Janmark. Mondok Tenzan. Montijo Ken.
Sid.
Panyalik Dalmar. Parva Dennis. Polipino Daniel. Temson Geraldine. Ramos Vincent. Rodina Emrex. Sibial Lemuel. Okay, the girls, Apala Hasmin, Apostol Sarah Jane, Cabanes Katrina, Dabansol Regilaika, Eduardo Del Marie,
Present.
Latoa Irish, Legaspi Larami, Nopalia Rosami. Okay, so our topic this morning is all about sampling distribution. So, this is a sampling distribution. So, by the way, what is sampling distribution? Yes.
A sampling distribution of a sample mean is a frequency distribution using the means computed from a possible random sample of a specific size taken from a population. The means of samples are less than or greater the mean of the population.
Okay, so, thank you. Now, sampling distribution of a sample mean is a frequency distribution using the mean computed from all possible random samples of a specific size taken from a population. The means of sample are less than or greater than the mean of the population. So, how to determine and solve this problem? So, to solve this problem, is to have a steps in constructing the sampling distribution of the mean. So, please read the first step. Yes, the door. Agopes.
Determine the number of the sets of all possible random samples that can be drawn from the given population by using the formula big N, big C, small n, where the big N is the population size and small n is the sample size.
Okay, so the first step is to determine the number of the sets of all possible random samples that can be drawn from the given population by using the formula. So where the NCN, where the number is the population size and small letter n is the sample size. So you have to use the given instruction or step 1 and followed by next step number 2. Yes.
List all the possible samples and compute the mean of each samples.
Okay, so very good. So we have a list of all possible samples and compute the mean of each sample, which is the step number 2. You want to find the mean of the different sizes given from the sample problem. So the third step, Fred? Yes, given.
Contract the sampling distribution.
Okay, so you have to construct the sampling distribution. So you have to construct, and how to construct the sampling distribution? That is to be able to prepare a data, a set of data by the given population size. So the population size will give you how to determine the sampling distribution. Now the last step, to read a yes.
Construct the histogram of the sampling distribution of the means.
Okay, very good. The fourth step is to construct the histogram of the sampling distribution of the means. So you have to construct a sampling distribution, which is histogram. So you have to prepare the y-axis and x-axis, which is the vertical distance and the horizontal distance. So if you are going to do a vertical horizontal distance, which is the Cartesian plane, so you can prepare and construct the histogram. Now, for example, problem number 1. Yes? 7.
A population unit of the number 2, 4, 9, 10, 5. Let us all get possible sample size of 3 from this population of compute the mean of each sample.
Okay, so the problem is all about a population unit of the number 2, 4, 9, 10, 5 is the number of cases. Let us all less possible sample size of the 3 from this population and compute the mean of each sample. So meaning to say that the number of cases is equal to 5. There are 5. Okay, so all together, please read the given sample. 2,
4, 9, 10, 5.
Okay, so how many are there? 5. So meaning n is equal to 5, which is the number of cases. So the given sample size is
3.
okay, go guys.
3.
So the small letter A represents the population number size is 3. So these two numbers, you have to apply this into the formula. Can you write the formula? Good or? Okay, so very good, good or? So we have the formula and C N is equal to N. All that is over N times N minus N. So you are going to substitute the number of cases and the number of population size. So this is actually how many is in here? 5. So this is 2, 4, and 3. Kay dalawa ni siya ka size. So 3 po naman. All over. So we have 3 times 5 minus 2. 2, 3.
3, sir.
3. 3. Okay, so we have here. So, cancel 3 here, cancel 3 here. Ang mahabilin. So, the remaining is 5 times 4. All over. Pila? 5 times 3. 2. So, it will be equal to 5 times 4.
20.
20. So, over 2. Is always equal to 10. So, na po kabuok na group of numbers na imong gamiton sa okay, so we have 2, 4, 9, 10, and 5. So, kana siya, mauna sa imuhang Torreon na po kabuok imong gapon nga 10 groups of 3. Meaning, tulo kabuok numero nga na po kabuok numero na y repetition. Okay, so we have here. Wow, yeah. Making the sample and compute the mean. So we have here 2 for 9.
2 for 10.
Yes.
2 for 5.
Go.
2, 9, 10. 2, 9, 5.
2 stop.
5, 4, 9, 5, 8, 4, 9, 5, 14, 5, 9, 10, 5.
Okay, so these are all three probabilities that you made into a group of 3. So there are 10 that group of 3. Then to find the mean, you add. For example, 2, 4, 9. So how much is 2 for 9? You add.
16.
Huh? 15. Divide by 3.
5.
5. That's why we have here. The answer is 5. So we have 2, 4, 10, 16. Divided by 3, 3,
5.33.
5.33. So we have here 2, 4, 5.
11.
Divided by 3,
3.65.
3.65. So, and so on and so forth. The last is 9, 10, 5. How much?
8.
Huh? 9, 10, 5. Yeah.
24 divided by 3. 8.
Divided by 3, 8. So, after having the making a sample of the compute the mean, so you proceed to the next step. Okay, construct. No. Yes, construct the sampling distribution. Okay. Now, so right after the completion, so you have to prepare like this. Yeah, divided by 3. After, you have to prepare like this in making the sampling distribution of the mean. So, pila ka 4.3.
1.
1. Pila ka 5.
1.
Pila ka 5.6.
1.
Pila ka 5.7.
2.
Pila ka 6.3.
1.
Pila ka 6.7.
1.
So how many 7?
1.
How many 7.3?
1.
How many 8?
1.
Okay, yung alat na quincy.
10.
1 plus 1
2.
plus 1
3.
plus 2
5.
plus 1
6.
plus 1
7.
plus 1
8.
plus 1
9.
plus 1.
10.
Okay, so exactly. There are 10 probability. Now, after the answering and making the sampling, you have to make or making the histogram. So, magamak ka og histogram. Pagamak histogram, imong tanawon or situate that your data, the highest is 2.10. and then the lowest is 1.10. Then you have to write the x, probability of x, so we have 3.67, 5.33, 5.676, 6.33, 7, 7.67, and 8. So this is how to determine the sampling distribution. Okay, so I recall. So all you have to do to determine the sampling distribution is to solve the formula. After solving the formula, you have to prepare making okay, so mga to ang okay, so we are making the histogram. Before making the histogram, compute the data, yes. Making sample distribution of the mean and making the sample and compute the mean, and the first one is to solve the formula. So what part of the reason would you not able to understand? Okay, so now let us group you into 4. Okay, group 1. Group 1. Jamil?
Yes.
Group 2. Yes. Gupis. Group 3. Lara. And group 4. Kevin, please prepare. Yes, sir. Okay, bring your member. Group 1. First leader. Group 4. Okay, I'll give you 5 minutes to prepare. Okay, so the mechanics. Okay, please listen. Focus your eyes on the board. Okay, the mechanics make a 4 groups, count 1 to 4, and then we have here. So we already made your group. All group 1 will be solve problem using formula. Am I correct?
Yes.
Okay, all group 2 will be all to group 2, making the sample and computing the mean.
Yes.
Okay, group 3. All 3 will be the group 3 making the sampling distribution of the mean.
Yes.
And the last, we have 4 will be the group 4 making the histogram. And then after solving the problem within 10 minutes, posting output on the board. The leader will do a short discussion on their output. Start. The problem was on the board, please. Okay, I read the problem. The population unit of the number 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, it has list all possible sample with size of 3 from this population and compute the mean of each sample. So the number of cases is equal to 5 and the population size is equal to 3. Okay, stop. Proceed to the board. Okay, group 1, group 2. Group 1, group 2, group 3, and group 4. Okay, start with group 1.
The formula is NCN, big N, big C, and small n equal N initial and N an initial, gamma subos, and N minus N initial. Solution. N, big N and big C and small n equal ang kuwan sa big N kay 5. Ang iyang value ang katuloy siya ni kuwan sa mukha na siya sa 4 of 3. Dara. Ang small n is 3. And sa big N sa kuwan kay 5 minus 3. Ikat ang 3. I-cancel. Ang nahibilihin kay N, big N and big C and small n and 5 and 4. 5 times 4. Bring down 2. Big N and big C and small c equal 5 times 4, 20. Bring down 2. I divide 2. N and big C, small n, equal 10.
Equals
Equals 10.
group 2.
To find the sample computing the gauge, to add 2, 4, and 6 equals 12. Divide the size 3 is equal 4. 2 plus 4 plus 8 equals 14. Divide 3, 4.67. 2 plus 4 plus 10 equals 16. Divide 3, 5.3. 2 plus 6 plus 8 equals 16. Divide 3, 5.3. Sunod, 2 plus 6 plus 10 equals 18. Divide 3, 6. 2 plus 8 plus 10 equals 20. Divide 3, 6.7. Sunod, 4 plus 6 plus 8 equals 18. Divide 3 equals 6. Sunod, 4 plus 8 plus 10 equals 22. Divide 3, 7.3. Sunod kay 6 plus 8 plus 10 is equals to 24. Divide 3, 8. And the last is 6 plus 10 plus 2 equals to 18. Divide 3 equals 6.
Okay, very good. Papa. Okay, next.
After making an sample and computing mean, we need to make a sampling distribution. Sample frequency and probability. In sample, we have 4 and frequency is 1 and the probability is 1 over 10 equal 0.1. Next, 4.67 and the frequency is 1 and the probability is 1 over 10 equal 0.1. Then next, 5.3 and the frequency is 2 and probability is 2 over 10 equal 0.2. 6 and the sample 6 and the frequency is 3 and probability is 3 over 10 equal 0.3. Sample 6.7 and the frequency is 1 and the probability is 1 over 10 equals 0.1. Next is 7.3 and the frequency is 1 and the probability is 1 over 10 equals 0.1. And last is 8 and the frequency is 1 and the probability is 1 over 10 equals 0.1. And the total is 10. P of x is equal 1. The total of probability is 10.
Okay. Big hand please. Now, the last group.
This is making of histogram. The 4 is 1.10 and this 4.68, 7 is 1.10, 5.3, this is 2.10, and 6 is 3.10, and 6.7 is 1.10, 7.3 is 1.10, 8.10.
Okay, Papa. Now go back here. 6. And give 1. Give 1. 1 point. 1 point to the keeper. Okay, so you have 1/4 back-to-back ang gamiton. You use 2 1/4 and then use back-to-back. So page 1 is by computing the formula. Yeah, at the back, you have to make a sample and the computation of the mean. And for second, 1/4, the front page is answering and making the sampling distribution of the mean. And the last, at back, you have to make the histogram. Okay, so the problem is on the screen. Okay, all together, please read.
Population unit of the number 3, 4, 9, 10, 5. The data consists of possible sample size of 3 from this population and we give the mean of each sample. Give number of cases. Population size. Small n equals to 3.
Okay, so I will give you 5 minutes to solve. Faster. Okay, so the answer is then step by step check sa equality from the formula. Sir. Next. Okay, so we have here 4.3, 5.7, 6.38, 6.7, 5.6, 7.3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So there are 10 points. Next. Okay, so check every column of probability. The column of probability would be check 1 from the top, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So there are 9. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
Go.
Okay, pass. 1, 2, 3, 4. Monitor, collect the papers. Score or have the passing score, and only 8 have failed or failed the score. Now, please get your notebook and write the assignment. Please study 4.1. Study 4.1. 3.3. Study the 3.3 mean. Study the mean standard deviation of the sample mean. Pages 68 to 74. Okay, so dismiss class.